The biggest discount sale festival Lulu Midnight Sale at Bengaluru. Flat 50% off on major brands, groceries, electronics, fashion and other daily essential are on killer deals like never before. Customer can bid their price for multiply items as per part of the special auction to be held on July 4, 5, 6, 7. Grab and flat 50%.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲುಲು ಮಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂದು ಕಂಡು ಕೇಳರಿಯದ ಮಾರಾಟದ ಮೇಳ ಜುಲೈ 4, 5, 6 ಮತ್ತು 7ರವರೆಗೂ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. 50% ಕಡಿತದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೀವು ನಂಬಲಾರದ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರಾಟ.
To bring you the best.
On across all the categories in our supermarket, fashion store, Lulu Fashion Store and Lulu Connect. In fashion store, we are offering flat 50% discounts on all the leading international and national brands in apparel, footwear, luggage and all the categories. And in Connect, we are offering up to 50% discounts on categories like LED panels, refrigerators, washing machines, gadgets, small appliances and all the utility items. And also during this period, because we will be offering the best pricing for iPhone 15 series. And all these 4 days there will be auction conducted for the customers on the products like TV, for washing machine, laptops, mobiles, where the customer can win a chance, where the customer can bid for 1 rupee. So that will be the attractive thing. And I would like to request all the customers to come, experience and avail the best deals during these 4 days. Thank you.
Fashion store, the Lulu Fashion Store is here. So, Manjunath, what we have special with fashion this time? What we have to offer to the customers here in Bangalore?
Namaste. In fashion, like everybody knows, we have major brands like national brands, international brands. So we'll be having like flat 50% on major brands like in women's wear, men's wear, kids wear, footwear, and jewelry, handbags. So like all customers can come avail. It is not like other malls where it will be like up to 50%. Like in major of the like 25 to 30 brands, we have flat 50%, where the entire like customers, the friends, relatives, a family persons, everyone can come they can do as a family shopping. And this is for the first time, like we are also like conducting like a preview sale only for the Lulu loyalty members, which is only from fashion department. So this will be exclusively only for the Lulu loyalty members, which will be held on 3rd of July 2000.
ಅಂದರೆ 4, 5, 6, 7 ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಬಿಗ್ ಸೇಲ್ ದಿನಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಗತ್ಯವಾದ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು, ಮನೆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು, ಮೊಬೈಲ್, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್, ಟಿವಿ, ರೆಫ್ರಿಜರೇಟರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಉಡುಪುಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ 50% ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ದೊರಕಲಿದೆ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ 4 ದಿನ ಅಂದರೆ 4, 5, 6, 7 ರಂದು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು, ಬಂಧು ಬಳಗವನ್ನು ಬಂದು ಈ 50 ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಸದುಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಂದು ನಾನು ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
And one more thing which we want to announce here is that as part of Lulu on Sale, you have an exciting opportunity to be part of Shop Big, Win Big, where you have a chance to win a 5 days and 6 nights tour to Australia. The first prize will be that. And there are electric vehicle scooters arranged through Bajaj, and there are nothing phones which are newly introduced in the market. One Sony TV to be won, and PS5.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಈ 2
Our own card offers will be having the discounts. Majorly, if you see, we have a blockbuster sale which will be there for 4, 5, 6 and 7. So please do visit Connect and grab the opportunities which you will never find anywhere else in the market. So that's what the offers we are going to highlight for this 4, 5, 6 and 7 July. Thank you.